What if you sneezed at the speed of light? Not the sound, not the air. First, a problem. Nothing with mass can actually reach the speed of light. It would require infinite energy. But let's ignore physics for a moment and imagine you could. A normal sneeze pushes air out of your nose at about 150 kilometers per hour. At light speed, that's 299,792 kilometers per second. That's almost 900 million times faster. At that speed, your body wouldn't move. It would release a relativistic shockwave. Air molecules in front of you wouldn't have time to move aside. Instead, you would compress them instantly. Compression generates heat. At near light speed, that heat becomes plasma. The air would ignite. Zero. But that's not the worst part. The kinetic energy of a human body moving at light speed would be comparable to a large nuclear explosion, all from a sneeze. The moment you accelerate, the energy release would vaporize you instantly. There would be no sneeze, no second attempt, just a flash, brighter than the sun. The shockwave would travel outward, superheating the atmosphere. Buildings nearby would collapse. Windows would shatter kilometers away, all because of a biological reflex. There's something even stranger. As you approach light speed, time slows down for you. From your perspective, the universe would freeze. Distances contract. Space compresses. In theory, you would cross the planet in less than a blink before your sneeze even finished. So, what actually happens? If you sneeze at the speed of light, you don't get a cold. You don't embarrass yourself. You create a small apocalypse. Fortunately, physics protects us, because if sneezes were relativistic, bless you, would be the last thing anyone ever says.